right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. This client reached out to us actually about a month ago. It's a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee for a remote starter. Now, at the time, the car wasn't supported. What it boils down to is that the starters didn't have enough CAN network power in order to support the remote starter on this vehicle. So we've been waiting for this new brain, new CPU to show up, basically a new remote start that now supports these vehicles, and we just did the first one. This is again, 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee, normally undoable, and we did it off the factory fob. So you hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Car flashes the lights to let you know it received the command. Bam, no more freezing. The pros of the factory fob is you don't have to carry anything extra, right? You carry the stock fob, hit it 3 times, you're in business. The downfall is you're limited to the range of this fob. So typically we call it driveway range. Basically, if the car is in your driveway, parked in front of your house, you can see it. But if you live anywhere else or work anywhere else where the car is further away, if you live in an apartment and the car is in a parking garage, or you never get parking in front of your house, you definitely want a remote. The fob gives you much more range, and also it's nice to have a 2-way fob, a fob that actually confirms to you it started. Because let's say the car's around the block and you can't see it, you hold the button, sends the command, car receives it, starts, sends the command back, and lets you know on the fob that the car is running. The ideal situation is drone. So with drone, you can do it off your phone, you can do it off your watch, and then range is unlimited. So it doesn't matter where you park. You know, you can park anywhere. As long as you have cellular or Wi-Fi, you can start the car. And it also obviously reports to you on the phone, you know, the run time, the temperature. I mean, there's just so much more functionality with the drone app than with the key fob or the additional fob.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.